Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to sew the front side pocket, okay, of your trouser. All right, and as you can see, I've prepared it already. It is prepared already. If you want to know how you can prepare the front side of your trouser pocket, just go to this description of this video. I've dropped the link to the video on how you can prepare the front side of the pocket of your trouser. All right, and so all we just need to do, this is the pocket, the width of the pocket when folded into two, the width of the pocket when folded into two is 7.5. Okay, 7.5. When you opened it, it will be 15. Okay, when you open it, it will be 15 to give us 15. Okay, and then the length is 13.5, as you can see, 13.5. Okay, so all you just need to do is this. In the pocket, they call it pocketing. You go to the fabric store, tell them pocketing, they'll sell pocketing for you. All right, so this is a white one. Now I want to sew the right side of the pocket. This is the right side piece of the front pocket. This is the right side. Okay, this is the right side. So I want to sew it. All I just need to do is to place it on it. All right, I'll place it on it this way. Okay, just watch me. If this is what you are interested in and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please feel free to subscribe. Click on subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a like and share this video with others. All right, so you can see. So what I'm going to do is I am going to follow close to this line. I will stitch close to this line and down to this point. Okay, I'll stitch this close to, just close to the line, down to this point. All right, so follow me closely as I do that. You tack it at first, and then so close to the line. Don't forget to so close to the line. All right, as you can see, please, it is neat. It is advisable you iron and sew, make your work to be neat. Okay, and then as you can see, then turn it to the other side. This is how it is. I've sewn it already, so you turn it to this side. Now we are not interested in this piece. We want to chop off, we want to cut off this piece. The reason why we cut off this piece is that we don't want it to bulge. We don't want it to be too heavy, that's too bulky. Okay, we don't want to be too heavy here. Okay, so we'll cut off this piece. So watch me as I cut it off closely to the line you stitch. All right, and then after doing that, you know, it is this way. After doing this, after cutting it off, watch me. Okay, I take it this way. What we need to do now is we'll fold this a little. What you need to do is fold this. Look at it. You fold it a little. Okay, maybe of 1/4 inside, please. Look at it. Fold it about 1/4 inside. Okay, and then you stitch. Hmm? Huh? All right, so as you can see, take it off. Okay, we've done that. And then the next thing is, this is white. This is a white fabric, okay, pocketing, and this is make color. So what we need to do is our pocket facing, okay, our pocket facing. Wow. Our pocket facing. This is our pocket facing. Now this pocket facing, I've done a video on how you can cut out your pocket facing and prepare it as well. As you can see, it's prepared already. Okay, so there is a video link in the description below, okay, that tells us how to cut your pocket facing. Okay, how to cut a pocket facing. Okay, do well to click on that link to give you a tutorial on how to do pocket facing. All right, so the pocket facing we're interested in is this aligns with this straight line, and so we face it this way. Okay, it is good you prepare it down. All right, it makes your work neat, especially with iron. And so what I need to do is this. Please don't forget, it's same line with this. Okay, and so what we need to do is you stitch this edge down to this place, and so if you know your work will look rough and here will be rumple, all you just need to do is to make use of pin, your affix pin, to pin it down, and then you sew. Please don't forget, it's essential your work should be neat. Alright, if this video have been of help to you, please click on subscribe if you have not subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Right, if you have any question, feel free to drop it at the comment section. I'll be there to give you an answer for your question. Alright, then share this video with others. Please share it on your social media platform. Alright, for others to learn. Right. So don't forget, this is Duke's Casual. Stay tuned for more. All right, having done that, all we just need to do is this. Okay, you have to take this back. Look at me, watch me. All right, you take it inside. After taking it inside, all right, then as you can see, it was like this, and then now like this. All you need to do now is, now 1 inch, you measure 1 inch from here 1 inch. As you can see, 1 inch, this is 1 inch. All right, so it's from that 1 inch. From the 1 inch, you sew 1/4, 1/4 when I mean 1/4. All right, this is 1/4 here, or from here to here is 1/4, from here to here is 1/4. So you sew at 1/4 inch. All right, so watch me. Now, if this video has been of a help to you, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe. Click on smash the subscribe and give this video a like. Okay? Give this video a like. As you can see. All right. And then now it is, you sewed it like this. Don't forget, like this how we sewed it. And what you need, you bring it out again, as you can see, bring it out, and now put it this way. All right, you can see it's actually simple. Now please, you don't just sew this way like this and you've done the right thing. No, you've not done the right thing. All you just need to do, you make sure that this line is in line with this. Look at it. And your pocket, look at it, we are following this. As you can see, this the cut I made earlier. All right, there is a cut down there I made earlier. Make them equal. All right, equal. And this, okay, and we said it is 2.5. Okay, so this is 2.5. And so all we just need to do is we stitch, just stitch this down to hold it for a while. Watch me. With this, you've been able to hold it down. And then here, okay, don't forget, you see, it is neat. All right, now make sure it is relaxed. Make sure it is relaxed. Okay, so you can now sew. Got it. Stitch on top. Okay, haven't done that. You cut off the excess. That is. Alright, so alright, you cut that part off. Now, having done that, this is the trouser, this is the front side of the trouser. Okay, now take the front piece of the trouser, take it this way. Okay, place it this way. You are left with the pocket. Now you cut. You can use 1/2 inch or 3/4. Or 3/4 of an inch. And so, as you can see, I placed my hand into the pocket. Are you seeing it? I placed my hand into the pocket. Watch me. And I brought the pocket out. Okay, I brought the pocket out. Please, if it is confusing for you, you can watch the video over and over again. And then, okay, you stitch from the point, okay, that point that you cut with 3/4 of an inch. Slanting it, okay. I need 1/4 of an inch, and then, all right. We know we have different types of sewing this. Some persons prefer using the outer weaving to weave it, and then once they are through weaving it, they don't fold it. Okay, they just weave it to make it neat. All right, but I think this is the best. Now we've done this, so you can go to the other side, pull your hand inside and bring it out. Okay, and bring it out. Now all you need to do is take it to, you can take it to the iron. Okay, you can take it to the iron, but for tutorial purpose, okay, tutorial purpose, I will not make use of iron. Okay, for this tutorial purpose I will not make use of iron, but it is advisable you take it to your iron and you press it with steam or low steam. Okay, steam iron, and you top stitch it. Now the reason for top stitching, okay, is to ensure that you do not have a hole. Okay, your first stitching do not produce a slack stitch that gives way for a hole. All right, so that's why I was top stitching, to make the pocket a bit firm. Whenever you place anything, it will not fall out of your pocket. Just to make it firm, nothing more. All right. As you can see, we are through. It's relaxed, it's fine, it's beautiful. All right, is if this video have been of help to you, please don't forget to share this video with others. All right, and click on like, drop your comments at the comment section. All right, if you are interested in the part 2 of this video, the part 2 of this video is sewing the left hand side of the of this pockets, the front side of the pocket, sewing the left hand side. Okay, the left hand side of the pocket. All right, see you in our next video. Bye bye.